Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your total amount spent on Shopee step by step. If you want to track your shopping expenses or see how much you've spent overall, this guide will help you do it easily. Let's get started. Shopee does not always show a direct total spent number in one place. However, you can calculate it using your order history. I'll show you the easiest methods. Method 1. Check order history in the Shopee app. Step 1. Open the Shopee app. Launch the Shopee app and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap Me at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Open My Purchases. Tap My Purchases. Here, you'll see all your completed, shipped, and pending orders. Step 4. Check Completed Orders. Tap the Completed tab. Now, scroll through your order history. Each order shows the total paid amount. You can manually add these totals to calculate how much you've spent. Method 2. Use Shopee website for easier calculation. Step 1. Log in via browser. Go to the official Shopee website for your country and log in. Step 2. Go to My Purchases. Click on your profile name. Select My Purchases. Step 3. View order details. Open each completed order to see the full payment amount, including shipping fees and discounts. You can copy the amounts into Excel or Google Sheets to quickly calculate the total. Method 3. Download transaction history if available. In some regions, Shopee provides account statements or transaction history. Go to Account Settings, then look for Payment History or Transaction History. If there is an option to download a statement, export it and sum the values. Important tip. If you use Shopee Pay, you can also check Shopee Pay. Transaction history. This may help track total spending more accurately. Currently, Shopee does not provide a single lifetime spending number directly inside the app in most regions, so manual calculation is usually required. And that's it. That's how you check your total amount spent on Shopee step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical shopping guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.